Did you know that your sins have separated you from God, but not God from you? I need you to hear that right now. Because a lot of people think that when they hear that phrase, your sins have separated you from God, what they hear is God walking away from you, the sinner, when that's not the case. When Adam and Eve first messed up, you know what happened? God came looking for them. And the word says that they ran and they hid after hearing his voice and his footsteps in the garden as he was walking in the cool of the day. They hid, not God. I want you to hear God calling out to you right now. Where are you? Where are you right now? You somewhere feeling isolated. You somewhere feeling alone. You somewhere feeling left behind, forgotten about. You somewhere feeling like the world has passed you by and no one cares, when that could not be further from the truth. Your sins have not driven God away. Your sins have led you away. And right now, I need you to hear the voice of God speaking to your spirit, speaking to your heart. Where are you? Where are you right now? For you ain't where you're supposed to be. Your mistakes ain't bigger than God's love. Understand that. God has been waiting since the foundation of the earth. Before the foundation of the earth was formed, he called you with a high holy calling. You think that he's going to allow something like this to come between you and him when he's been waiting for you since before the foundations of the earth? Come on now. Really? But that's the thing. Your sins have led you so far away from God that you feel like you're unrecoverable. But Jesus wasn't sent for the found. He was sent for the ones who were lost. You want to restore your relationship with God? It starts simply with confessing your sins. And God is so faithful. He is so just that he's not only going to forgive you of your sins, but he's going to cleanse you from all unrighteousness, that his glorious light may continually to shine so bright through you, brighter than it never shined before, that you can be exactly what he called you to be, his peculiar treasure, meant to stand out, meant to shine, meant to be elevated, meant to be lifted up, meant to serve his purpose. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button.